Hello and welcome to the University of Central Lancashire. I'm Maggie Philbin and we're here for the TeenTech Lancashire Festival. This is a really special opportunity for young people from right the way across the region to experience every aspect of science, technology and engineering, from veterinary science to cyber security to broadcast media. This is a part of the day that I always really look forward to because I get to see all of the different activities. Here we have got people from UCLan demonstrating exoskeletons.
So my students at the moment, they're looking at using microbits in order to make a secure communications device.
Excellent, so a bit of cyber security here then with Softwire. Oracle are doing an escape room activity, and when you look around a TeenTech event, the thing that you will notice is that all of the students are 100% engaged in what's going on.
Today we've been speaking to young people about binaural audio. We've been bringing that to life by showing them some production and also using our binaural head, which has microphones in the left of my ears and teaches the young people about audio design and how you can make that really immersive.
What our pupils have been doing is they came up with some ideas in school about ways they might want to improve things for the future, come up with some gadgets, and they've been developing those ideas with the help of some of the experts here. So a really brilliant hands-on day so far.
I was expecting it to be like written work mostly. I didn't realise that you could do stuff with computers, that you could do like science experiments and a lot more like that.
I wasn't really expecting this today. It was amazing. Today helped me make career choices. Yeah, I'm thinking of becoming a technologist.
Oh, it was first year I've brought the students. They've really enjoyed it. We've done all sorts of things and it's helped develop their skills as well. We're a lot more hands-on than what I expected. The students actually got engaged. They actually got included in a lot of activities and really enjoyed it.
Working with TeenTech has been fabulous. We've been working together now for the last 4 years. This year's event is much bigger than last year. We've got so many more schools involved and many businesses. It's just brilliant to see just so many more young people benefiting from this event today.
Just been listening to bits of feedback, chatting to the students who've been saying, oh, it was just such an amazing day. They now want to develop their own ideas and take those forward. The teachers have had a good time. One of them said, I don't know about the kids, I've really had a good day, which is good to hear. And then the companies have appreciated the structured and timetabled nature, so they can have quality conversations with the young people. So you do have a feeling of a job well done, or rather a job started. So this is the first step on the road, and some of the students will choose to take their ideas through the TeenTech Awards process. Some of them will continue to work with university departments or come to other activities which we're able to signpost in the region. So collectively, and it is a massive team effort, we've made a difference today.